Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of this module. In this tutorial, we will learn how to intercept requests via burp suite and exploit XSS vulnerability in DVWA. In this tutorial, we will learn how to perform stored-based XSS attack via burp suite. So first of all, open burp suite, go to proxy, then options. Over here, select this and edit. Click on specific address and select any of these, and remember that address as you will be needing it. I'll select this one, hit OK. Now open Mozilla Firefox, click on options, go to network settings, and instead of no proxy, select manual proxy, and over here type that proxy which you have selected in burp suite. Also, your port number is 8080. Now go to your DVWA lab. Instead of localhost, type the burp suite IP address which you have selected over there. And the port over here is 8081. You must be wondering that in Mozilla option we have selected port 8080, but over here we are using port 8081. Why is that? It's because over here the Apache server is using port 8081 to access DVWA. So we have to use port 8081 over here. Now hit enter and select XSS stored. Now turn on your intercept. Refresh this page. Burp suite has intercepted this request. Now click on action and send this to Spider. Go to target. Now click on params option. Now select this one as it is for XSS. Right click and send it to repeater. Now over here you will see that these are the fields where you can insert your payload. First of all, whenever you are trying this in a live website, you need to check whether what you are typing is being displayed on the page or not. For that, simply write hello. Now over here, in search, type hello and see over here, yeah, your hello is reflected in the website. Now you can insert your payload, and also see over here that there are no inverted comma and angular brackets, so you can directly insert your payload over here like this. In case if this is coming right after your hello, you need to close this first, and how you need to do it in your payload is like this. In that case, this will be your payload, because first of all you need to complete the existing query and then start your payload so that it doesn't get affected. Let me delete it. Now if I'll hit go, see, the script has been executed. Let's check it. Right click and show response in browser. Copy this, paste it over here, hit enter. Voila! Finally, we are successfully able to perform XSS via burp suite. So this is how you need to check the live website for the XSS vulnerability. Also, this is the simplest payload that we have used over here. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.